Cash.
Hey, little baby.
Top 5, no debating. Top 5, top 5, top 5.
Hey Curlfriends, we are back at it again with another top 5. And today we are going to be featuring my favorite top 5 leave-in conditioners. And I got them right here. So we just gonna start that timer, okay? Siri, set the timer for 5 minutes.
And
Try it again. Siri, set the timer for 5 minutes.
Setting the timer. Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
First of all, let's talk about the fact that we be setting her for 5 minutes and she be going, but don't be telling, like, you can't go before the timer starts. That's cheating, but you know, whatever. So let's get straight into it. I want to go in order of like my top, like my number 1. My top leave-in conditioner of all time is, without further ado, the Taliyah Naturals Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. When I tell you this conditioner has changed my life, there's never a time where it's not compatible with my hair. Dry, wet, old.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, raw,
Freshly washed, freshly styled, gotta revive. This is like my go-to. I'm actually like kind of like I'm down here. And this is my second bottle. I bought this myself. I've had it sent to me. I will purchase it myself. I will still have it sent to me if you want, you know. But this is an amazing conditioner. It smells great. It is not too heavy, but it's also not too light. And I always get flawless curls with it. I'm pretty sure this is compatible with any body up to like all the way between like straight hair. Like I've used it on a straight hair front before for a slick back. And I've also used it on my mom, who was like a 4B. I can't talk right now, Cash Daddy. Cash.
Hey, little baby.
Cash, let me call you back in 5 minutes.
Alright,
Okay, bye.
bye.
I love him. That went into my time. Okay, so yes, this is the best leave-in conditioner I've ever used. Next up would be the Taliyah Waajid leave-in with the apple one. It smells so good. It is comparable to the TGIN leave-in conditioner, which I love too, but it didn't make the list because like it's number 6 on the list. It's not like my go-to, but it is good. I just feel like it's a little bit too watery. But this one is like the perfect amount of wateriness with like a little thickness added into it. It's great and it smells, I'm big on smells. It smells just like a candy apple and the smell lasts all day. Then we have my 2 main choice leave-ins. This one is not a leave-in. This one is the actual leave-in. This is a spritzer, but I use it as a leave-in. It says that it's a clarifying spray for your scalp, but it never really worked for me in that aspect. Or like I just never felt like it worked. I don't know. I don't know what it's cleaning or what's going on. So I would just prefer to shampoo if I'm trying to clarify. But I use this the same way I use my lemongrass as a leave-in, just to spritz my curls. It works in that aspect. And this leave-in smells so good and it is perfect. If you use this combined with the whole line together, this one right here, put that one down, this one, you're going to get amazing results. I just found that it works so good together with its counterparts. I've never had a line work so well cohesively other than the Taliyah Waajid apple. I've never had a line work so well cohesively where I don't have to use anything else but what's in this line. And my last one is kind of like, you know, it's an honorable mention for the top 5. It's the Nourish Me, the Lotta Body Nourish Me. This is a new bottle. The other one is like down here. I really like to use it for protective styles, like twist, flat twist. It holds up really well and I found that I don't have to, if I don't want to like over product, like use a glaze or a curling custard, I really like to use this. And the smell is good. It's not a bad smell. It's refreshing. It's not like real sweet. You know, I be liking to smell like the tropics, honey. So that is like, this is like an honorable mention. It would go in the same category with the TGIN. Like, I don't immediately grab for it, but if it's there, I can definitely use it and not be mad at it. So that is my top 5 for this. The only thing that I will say about majority of these 3, these spritzers, I don't know when that came into play, but these spritzers, honey, I got too much hair to be spritzing. I tell y'all this every time. Let go of the spritzers. We want a nice little squeezable bottle. And that's that on that. Oh, we right on time. Good for me, y'all. Right on time. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next Friday.